Hi everybody and welcome to this week's Merit Assembly for Elane Primary. I'm Miss Dunlop and I'm going to be taking you through the merits today. So the first merit we have is for Oak Class, and we've got one for Kyron Drinkwater for showing a positive mindset towards his home learning. His diary entry included fronted adverbials and rhetorical questions. Fantastic effort, well done. Then we go to Year 2. Miss Parsons and Miss Boyne would like to award merits to Hayden from Topaz and Crystal from Sapphire. Hayden has shown our character skill of mindset by being resilient and putting in super effort during our phonics Zoom sessions. Crystal has been consistently displaying our value of excellence in all of her remote learning. Well done, you two. We've also got one for Jennifer in Year 2 for her mindset in phonics. Her enthusiasm and motivation has been exemplary. Well done. Next we go to Year 1, and we've got one for Chase for excellent. It's in English and using his writer's toolkit in his writing. Olivia Jones for demonstrating a positive mindset with your learning. You've been reading different books every day with a smile on your face. It's so contagious. Miss Whiting says it makes her smile every time. Then we've got one for Alfie Somerset for demonstrating excellence in your learning. You're a true role model for the class. And finally, for Year 1, we have one for Ola Truelove for demonstrating resilience in your learning. You never give up when you find it tricky. What a great mindset to have. Then we're going to go to Ash class, and the merit for this week goes to Zach for having a positive attitude towards his learning all week and showing kindness to other children in class by helping them with their learning and including them in his games. Mr. Stewart and all the staff are really proud of you, Zach, this week. Next, we have a merit for Aisha in Opal class for practicing her handwriting lots in phonics, knowing lots more sounds, and for writing her name. Then we're going to move to Elm class. And Elm class have actually chosen 3 children today because they just couldn't decide. We've got one for George, Sean and Logan. They've been working really hard this week and we're really proud of them. The staff in Elm class also wanted to say thank you and well done to the parents of the children in Elm class, because actually they've been putting in extreme hard work at the moment. We all realise it's incredibly difficult and just wanted to say thank you. Miss Ola and Miss Swire in Year 4 would like to give the following merits. So we've got one for Honeybee for demonstrating an excellent knowledge and understanding in maths when ordering fractions with different denominators. One for Teddy for demonstrating an excellent knowledge and understanding in maths when ordering fractions with different denominators. Then we've got one for Blaine for a fantastic explanation in your science work about the impact of human interference on climate change. And for Jack for an informative and well-organised newspaper article about koalas becoming endangered following the Australian bushfires last year. The merits for Year 5 this week are Kieran for showing great enthusiasm in his English writing. He's produced an excellent piece of work, well done. And we've got one for Aston for his excellent engagement in remote learning this week. He's shown the value of excellence in his presentation this week and shared great tips on how to look after our mental health. Well done, Aston. Next we go to Onyx class, and we've got a merit for Noah for settling in well into Onyx class remotely by joining in with all the Zoom sessions and completing his home learning. And we've got one for Paulie for showing resilience with completing his home learning, even though he is missing school and all of his friends. This week's merit in Year 3 goes to Michael Sarpong for his problem solving in his maths. Michael shows great resilience in problem solving with division. And finally, we have 2 nominations in Year 6 this week. One for Millie Jane for encouraging others to be kind to each other on Google Classroom Stream this week. And lastly for Rosie for engaging with her learning enthusiastically during the Zoom calls and acting on feedback to improve her work. Well done everybody, we've had a great week this week. Have a lovely weekend and see you all next week. Bye.